Hey! In front of me is REALME NARZO 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS launcher on this REALME. You need to start by accessing Play Store and type in an iOS launcher. Now download this free app from this developer and choose Open. In order to continue, you need to choose while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. So while using, allow. Then swipe up and click on Home button. From here, you need to choose iOS launcher and tap on Always. Then select Got it, and as you can see after that, app layout was applied successfully on my REALME. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going into Devices Settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications, scroll down and click on Default Apps. Then select Home app and click on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!